The highlights for me was just seeing the part of Cambodia that other people don't see. The villages and the kids and the rice paddies, it was just all quite different, especially from where we come from.
My personal favourite is probably heading more up into the higher ground, the mountains. Scenery up there is equally as stunning as anywhere else, but there's a little bit more foliage, been a bit more rain more recently. The tracks, a lot of them are hard and dry and fast. Your visibility's better. You ride quite quickly. The tour leader's quite happy to step up the pace if you're sitting too close to the shoulder.
My favourite trail, it's hard to pick one. I sat behind Toby one afternoon, and that was just epic. We were just absolutely hard out, and it was like he was my own personal guide because the rest of the guys were just too slow. The King's Highway was really good, up tight and a little bit rocky, but more challenging. But yeah.
Yeah, if somebody was wanting to come on this trip, I would definitely recommend Ride Expeditions. Toby and the team have been fantastic. I trust Toby. He's a medic. He's helped me out with my foot. Really caring, looking after the boys. Same with Lux, keeping the bikes running, and Pon, keeping us watered and fed. Yeah, it's been really great.
Yeah, if someone was wanting to come over and do this, I'd be recommending Ride Expeditions, and just the fact that you're not staying in hotels the whole time. You're staying out in the villages and in different places, which may be challenging depending on how you're feeling. It takes a bit to get acclimatised, but overall the whole sort of package that Ride Expedition puts together is pretty epic.
If someone was to ask me, should they come on a trip like this, I would advise them strongly to do it. It's been an awesome trip. You know, I haven't had this much fun on a yeehaw holiday since I was back in the days of my OEs years and years and years ago. It's been a great experience with my mates, but the people you bump into along the way turn out to be just as much fun, and some of them have better personalities, Mitchell. It's just a great thing to do. You'll never regret it, as long as you stay on your bike, maybe.